To add furniture into your project on Snaptrude, begin by opening the Furniture tab. Proceed to the category of your desired furniture. Choose the furniture from the list and place it by clicking on it. If you need to rotate the furniture before positioning it, use the spacebar, then click again. Continue this process to add more furniture to your project. If you need to rotate the furniture after placing it, simply click on it and use the spacebar to rotate it. You can drag and move your furniture around as needed once it is placed. On Snaptrude, all furniture items come with editable parameters for length, width, and height. For instance, if you want to adjust the length, input the new length and it will be modified as needed. This allows you to customize your furniture elements as required. Furniture can be placed in both 2D and 3D views using the same steps outlined before. Open the Furniture tab, select the furniture you want to place, and simply click to position it. If you want more control over where your furniture snaps to, whether it's the floor or a wall, click on the Snap to drop-down menu. Select the snap and then choose your furniture to place it. Selecting Snap to Floors will ensure that the furniture only snaps to the floor and not the slab or any other component on the project. Similarly, you can choose to Snap to Wall to ensure that the furniture only snaps to a wall. This feature can be particularly useful when working with lighting fixtures. This way, you can easily place and edit your furniture on your Snaptrude project.